after you get the 12-month budget template on Etsy, you can open it up on Google Sheet or the online Excel, or if you even have your own Excel, you could open it up on there as well. In the sheet, you'll have the sample where it explains everything. Everything in yellow, you'll manually input, and everything in gray will automatically update, and everything in orange you'll manually have to inputs in January. After that, it's automatically outputted. It'll make more sense once I go through it. So we have notes here on the side. So say get gig, and then you could check it off once it's completed or not. And we'll play around with the income. So say we have paycheck, and then we have the card, or if we sell stuff on Facebook Market, and then we put the amounts that we think we'll make, and then the amount we actually make. As you can see, it's red at first because the difference is less. So it's red, but if it's more, it turns green. And it updates the income as well. You could do that for Instacart. So I think I'll make 500, but I end up making 300. So I'll put the difference here, and same with Facebook. And as you can see, the income updates. And I'll update here as well in this graph. So next, we'll play around with savings. So for a vacation, we want to save 500, but we actually only save 300. And the amounts that we want to save for the entire trip is 2,000. So it'll automatically updates with how much we've saved for this month and how much is left to save. And this will always carry on until the next month. As you can see, all the way till December, until we hopefully pay it off. So say in February, we save again, we save 300. It automatically update. So as for the fixed expenses, so say we have car payment and phone bill. The budget's 1,500, but it was almost 1,000. Phone bill 50, but it's only 30. It'll automatically update, and the fixed expense will update as well. And for the transaction, we could put the car payment transaction and the phone bill. And for example, say we go out to eat at McDonald's. We could also, there's a list of categories as well. And the list is from the categories here. So for the car payment, it'll be fixed expenses. Fixed expense. Phone bill is also fixed expenses. And the McDonald's we have is dining out, and then we'll put the amount. So it was 1,000, 30. Say we spent $15 in it. McDonald's, and it'll automatically update here as you see the fixed and then the dining out. So we also would want to put a budget for the month of how much we want to spend for each category. So say 100 for car expenses, so that's parking and everything. And for eating out, I don't want to eat out too much, but 200. Entertainment, fuel, gifts. I'm not planning to buy any gifts, and then groceries, and then so forth. And then we'll do one, for example, for groceries. So Walmart was for groceries. Update here, we spent say 200. It'll automatically update here, and so will the graphs. And at the end of it, you'll see the fixed expenses and the variable expenses, and the total would be the income minus fixed and variable expenses, and then the savings as well will automatically update from what you put here, and the debt as well. So say 10 credits, the amount is 500, and I've only paid $50 from it, 300, so the debt is $450. And then this graph would update as well depending on what we spent. And what's great about this is that the next month it'll carry on all of the categories as well. Say one of your fixed expenses changes in March, you can always change it and it'll automatically update in the next month. Say we take out phone bill and we put insurance, it'll automatically update for the next months and it'll keep going until you update it for that month. This is how it will look when you fully fill out everything. I hope this tutorial helped.